And then we have our serum, serum, serum. This is used after cleansing the face. After the cleansing routine, we can use the serum, serum, serum with the firming massages of Luna 3 or with the microcurrent massage of Luna 3 Plus. Serum, serum, serum is our product that has squalane, antioxidants, and 3 forms of hyaluronic acid. So it's really, really hydrating for the skin, replenishing for the skin, especially squalane, which is usually the component of a natural component of human sebum.
Yes, and an important thing to mention about our squalane is that it's derived from olive oil, which makes it safe for all of our vegans out there.
Carly, I want us to talk about the preparations you need to do before the treatment. You definitely need to start with clean face. Yeah, we always recommend clean it with our Lunas, of course. You can see them displayed here. These are our latest generation, Luna 3s and Luna Mini 3s. So you can, I'm sure you already know about Lunas. We can talk about them later. But yeah, why are Lunas so special?
Well, for sure, I mean, everyone can clean their face with their hands and still get a good result. But with the Luna, it just really ups your game with regards to like cleaning your face, to getting that dirt out of your skin. And also, I think just to prep your skin for anything else that you get to do afterwards. So that it's been like putting serum on, putting your creams on, or maybe going on to the next treatment. So in this case, maybe the bare.
Yeah, yeah. To use any microcurrent treatment, we recommend using a conductive serum. We have our serum, 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 which is created for this, and it is an amazing serum. It's not just a conductive serum that will deliver the results. It is packed with squalane. It has an amazing texture. I would like to show this to you, maybe here on my hand. I don't know if you can see it. Let's pump it, but it's a new bottle. It has a really, really tiny, like microcurrent capsules, which are filled with this squalane oil, which is amazing antioxidant and has really anti-aging benefits to your skin. Yeah.
All right, so pretty much just that's that, and then you use the bare over the top of that layer.
And as you can see, it doesn't absorb too easily because you need a serum to be on your face when you do the treatment. Yeah, so it's really easy to glide it.
Sure, so it's almost acting like a barrier for between the skin and the device for then to get the electricity deep in. Okay.
Yeah.
So I just turn on the device. Okay, that's great. And that's
you can try it. As you can see, I'm not feeling anything. It is completely painless.
Yeah, and I can really feel like it's it glides super easily. Like, you know, there's no friction there. There's no dragging. So okay, so that's great.
Yeah, it's an amazing combination of serum, 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 and our bare devices.